If you want to customize the lock screen on Samsung Galaxy A56 5G, first of all we need to go to settings. Next in the settings we're gonna scroll down to wallpaper and style. And now you can tap on the lock screen. Now over here you have several options that you can use on the lock screen. For example, you can tap on the clock in order to change the font. First we're gonna switch to style actually, because I have a different style over here. But essentially you can use a different style. You can enable and disable the weather information. You can switch the date to be above the clock. You can switch the font, and in some cases you can also make the font thinner or bolder. You can set up a color, and that is essentially it. Of course, you can also change the size and position of the clock as well. If you cannot make it much bigger, then this might be due to widgets, which is another topic. Because over here we can add widgets. In my case, I have already added one. You can tap to remove it, and as you can see, we have add widgets. Now it allows me to actually make the clock bigger or smaller. So if you add a widget, or if you tap to add a widget, you have different apps that are compatible. And you can, for example, I don't know, like go to weather and add the current temperature and weather over here. You can add the moon phase and so on and so forth. You can add up to 4 different widgets as long as there is enough space, because some widgets take 2 spaces. And besides that, at the bottom we have lock screen buttons, which are used to quickly access something of your choice, because you can customize it as well. You can tap on any of these buttons in order to choose what should happen. If you want to, you can also set it to no app, so that you don't have these buttons in the lock screen anymore. And once you are done with the lock screen, we can tap on done in the top right corner. And there we go, change is applied. If you want to change the wallpaper, then of course you also have the wallpapers button here in the top left corner. You can also go to change wallpapers over here. This works as well. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.